Hello students, I welcome you all to the next session, that is after your tests. And before we begin with today's session, I hope you all did your tests well, and in case if you are lacking behind in any subject, then you can start working hard now. And students, before we start with this session, I would also like to remind you about one more thing, that is, try to please complete your notes. I hope and I believe that most of you must have completed your notes till now. In case if you are still left behind, then this is the time that you can complete your notes, so that before we start with the new chapter. Okay, now this week, student, in today's session, we are not going to start with any new chapter. In fact, there is an activity for you, just to do a quick recap of what we have learned before the test started. Okay, so we covered up a grammar grammar topic, that is adjectives, if you all remember. Okay, now today's activity is also based on the adjectives chapter. I'll read out the instructions so that you can understand. So this is the video that you're going to receive, and it is based on the adjective chapter. Now what you need to do is, okay, the activity is going to be very interesting one. As you can see in point number 3, you need to pick up any 10 famous personalities. Now those famous personalities can be any sports star, can be any leader, can be freedom fighters, can be writers. Okay, that is your choice. Take an A4 sheet, divide it into 2 halves. On one side of the sheet you can write down the names of the 10 famous personalities, and just in front of it, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to write 3 adjectives that describes about those personalities, whichever personality you have picked up. Okay, and then what you need to do is, you need to click a picture of this A4 sheet and send it to this email address that you can see here written, that is class6.vips.ldh@gmail.com. okay, so this is the email ID. Now by when you have to send, you are getting you're getting 1 full week to complete this activity. So you're supposed to be sending this activity by 5th of August by 10 a.m. positively. Now why it is important to send this activity? That is because this activity is going to be marked as a part of your internal assessment, and you'll be given marks for it, which we are going to record it in our with us. Okay, so that is the reason it is important for you to complete it within the given time. At the same time, yes students, that like I mentioned before, please ensure that your copies are now complete and they're up to date, because once we start with the session again, we are going to start with your chapters and your grammar, everything, so it will be difficult for you to cope up. So you have this week to cover up your activity, and at the same time also try to complete your notes if anything is pending. Okay, now I'll be discussing an example of this activity. For example, if you pick up William Shakespeare, so he is a very famous writer, we all know about him, and the adjectives that I have written that describe about him is thoughtful, greatest writer, greatest dramatist also I can write. So you need to choose at least 3 adjectives that describe this famous personality. Okay, I hope this example clarifies what the activity is and how you're supposed to be doing it. Okay students, so today's session is only this much, the activity, briefing you about today's activity, that you have 1 full week to complete. In the next session students, we are going to be starting with your further syllabus. Okay, so gear up till then, and I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. So okay, for today, thank you.